After 20 minutes in the oven, it looks ridiculous, mainly because I made one major mistake. Once again, I'm out of depth in the kitchen. I will try, or I will attempt actually to prepare a zucchini or a courgette tart with false or fake puff pastry. Puff pastry that Rihanna usually prepares for her French desserts class, and she has a class right now. So let me try to make a fool of myself and try a recipe that I've never tried in front of the camera. I'll first add the flour to the chopper, and then I'll add all my butter. Now I'll do a couple of pulses. I'll keep pulsing until I have a really nice sandy texture. And then I will add just a little bit of water. I'm trying to achieve a roughly rectangular shape with the size of my pan or something similar. All right, so after I've done everything possible to mess up this dough, I'll put it on the tray. And since I'm not a pastry guy, I will leave it in the fridge to just harden up a little bit. It's slicing time. Just be careful when you're using the mandolin, because it's a dangerous tool and it can bite you on the fingers. I'll add some olive oil and some thyme, and then I'll make the ricotta mix. And hopefully by that time we will be able, or I will be able to assemble a tart or something resembling a tart. I have already added about 1 cup of ricotta, and I'll add some olive oil. A pinch of salt. Some dry thyme. Zest half a lemon. And maybe I'll add some lemon juice to the zucchini. There the dough has firmed up really nicely over the last 10 to 15 minutes in the fridge. So now I'll spread some ricotta, and then I will add the zucchini on top. I will layer them, and then I will put some more ricotta on top, and then I will bake at 200 for I don't know how much time or how long. It's my first time doing this recipe. I'll add some of this ricotta mix, just a little bit on top. And I'm debating, but I will put another layer of veggies on top, and then I'll keep adding zucchini or courgettes, or I'm not quite sure what the difference between the zucchini and the courgette is, but I think the dark one is a courgette and the other one is zucchini. Again, you can comment and tell me what the difference is. Olive oil. And I think that I managed to make things worse with all the ricotta on top, but if you don't like how things look, you can always say that it's rustic. So some thyme. Now just for fun, I'm sprinkling a little bit of chopped pistachio, just because I have some. After 20 minutes in the oven, Tart looks ridiculous, mainly because I made one major mistake, and my major mistake was that I never folded the dough when I prepared it. So I should have mixed the dough in the chopper, and then I should have put it together to make a solid bowl, and then I should have rolled it once and then folded it once or twice, and then finally roll it to this shape. But this is not puff pastry, this is just pastry, and I'm really unhappy about the result, although the top of the tart looks kind of nice. Anyway, first lesson with this experiment and with this recipe is read through the recipe thoroughly. Don't go blindly and don't just assume things. Read through the recipe, do your research, and don't screw up the way I did here. I used Brianna's favorite tool to juice my lemon, and of course I spent the next 25 minutes fishing out lemon, how are they called? Yeah, the thing that is inside the lemon. What the come on. Anyway, I will mix the ricotta